Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to talk about how to write self-isolation plan for Canada. So if you are planning to travel Canada in this pandemic situation, then you must be aware that you must quarantine or self-isolate for 14 days though you have no symptoms of COVID-19 and it is mandatory. So for that you should prepare one document with certain evidences which is known as self isolation plan, and you will have to show this plan to immigration officials when you land into the Canada at the first port of entry. And immigration officials are not convinced with your plan, or your plan does not follows their rules of quarantine act, then the chief public officer of Canada will assign a place where you must remain for 14 days. So guys, you will not be denied to enter into the Canada, so don't worry about that. Okay, so now let's discuss what are the rules that you should follow when you prepare your self isolation plan. So let's say there are first three major rules that you should follow. The first rule is you have to quarantine or self isolate in a place where you will have no contact with vulnerable people, such as people whose age is 65 or more and people with having underlying medical conditions. The another rule is you will need to confirm that you have suitable place to isolate where you will have access to basic necessities such as food, medications. So this is very much important, guys, and for that we need to write some basic details in one document. So in later part of this video we are going to learn about that, how to write our self isolation plan by to satisfy the basic necessities. And the other rule is you must have to wear the mask, fine. So that nowadays we do that, so no need to uh, read it again and again. Other additional rules are you have to directly go to your place of quarantine without stopping anywhere, and you have to stay there for 14 days. You have to continuously monitor your health. If you find any symptoms of COVID-19, then immediately you should call health professionals or the public health authorities. Fine, you should do not allow any visitors, and you should keep at least distance of 2 meters from the others. Fine. So by following these rules, let's try to write our self isolation plan. And with when you write your plan, your plan should consider the following points. So the first point is the location of your self isolation plan. Another is how you will travel to that self isolation location, and other points like how you will arrange the necessary support such as food, medication, childcare, cleaning supplies, pet care, and social and family support. So guys, I have tried to design one sample self isolation plan which can be used as a reference when you try to write your own plan. So let's try to discuss that. Okay, so let me open that. So this is the plan that I have tried to write. So in first I will write to this authorized officer Canada, then I will write the subject. My subject is 14 days quarantine plan. Then I will write this line: I have decided that to take the following measures to self isolate ourselves for first 14 days as per the rules of quarantine act. So this could be your starting line. Then you have to define location of your stay. Here the location could be your home address. If you are a Canadian permanent resident or Canadian citizen, then you can write your home address. Here I have written the one sample address randomly, fine. And for the attachment, for the evidence, you can attach the copy of your rental agreement, Fine. Another option is, instead of that, as we have discussed in the earlier videos, fine, in the ArriveCAN app there are four options. Okay, you have to select either home, either you are going to stay with family or friends, or the rental accommodation. So if you are going to select stay with family or friends, so you should write the address of your friend or family members, and you can request a copy of email confirmation from your friends or family members. So you can ask your family members or friends that you send an email by stating that this person will come to my place and he or she will stay for this 14 days, and we have the sufficient facilities and we will provide the support. So you can ask one formal email to your family members or friend, and you can attach as an evidence. So immigration officials will get to know about that. Okay, this person is in Canada, is also aware about this person. Okay, then the third option is, if you have booked your accommodation through Airbnb, or you have going to stay in the hotel, then again you need to mention the address of the hotel, and as an evidence you can attach the copy of your bookings and the payment receipt. Fine. So you can modify as per the requirement, as per the needs. Okay, so this is the first point. The next point is how you will travel to your self isolation plan. So you should be aware with the various options. So let's say I can write like this: I will use the various taxi services like GTA cab, LYFT, Uber, and directly go to the straight to my destination place. And you can also write like this: I will wear the face covering and the mask throughout the journey, and I will follow the social distancing measures. So it means that by reading this, the immigration official will able to understand that you are aware with the various options for the traveling, as well as you are aware with the social distance measures, right? So this is the point number 2. In the next point, you have to say that you have to arrange the necessary support for the food. So let's say you can write like this: we have to carry some food with ourselves for the quarantine period. So you can write like this: we already took some food which is a ready to cook food, and if it is an Indian food package, then you can write like this: the package like Maggi, pasta, soup, instant poha, some curries, then instant snacks and breakfast like dosa, idli, upma. So you can write as per your requirement. Fine, do not write each and everything. Here I have tried to write the many examples, so you can imagine your example as per your needs, right? So another thing is, you can explain the how you will buy the grocery. Fine. So you can, like, I will buy the grocery through the various online portals like Corner Shop, Instacart, Amazon, and Whole Foods Market, and Costco. And if your family members or friends have already purchased this item, so you can attach the copy of food or grocery bill as an evidence. So this is the second point. Third point, how you will manage the medicines. Fine. So you can write like this: we already took the medicines from our home country. Here I forgot to write the country. From our home country for cough, fever, and infections, headache, vomit, and insomnia. You can write as per your needs, and you can also mention that we will call the healthcare professional or public health authorities immediately if we will get any COVID-19 symptoms. So by writing this, the immigration official will understand that you are aware with your medicines and you are aware with the symptoms of COVID-19. Okay, and as in proof, you can attach the doctor prescription and medicines bill copy. Fine. Additionally, you also need some cleaning supplies, and for the cleaning supplies, you can also write like this: we already took the sanitizer. Fine. However, you have to buy some additional product such as paper product, laundry product, kitchen cleaning product, floor cleaning products. Fine. So you can write like this: I will buy this product through the Walmart Canada. In Walmart Canada, everything is available in free. They also provide the free home delivery if you buy the groceries if you buy these products more than $50. Fine. Then you can write about the pet care. If you are going with pet, I have already purchased the few necessary items for the pet care, and if required I will buy it online. Fine. For the social and family support, you can write one line: my friends or family member will help us to provide the necessary support to stay in the quarantine for the 14 days under the Public Health Act. Right? Additionally, you can write few lines: we will not come out from our quarantine place for the entire duration of self isolation. And you can write your name sincerely, your name and your designation. Let's say you are new immigrant, Canada permanent resident or citizen, right? And friends, self isolation plan is a legal commitment for the self isolation, and it is enforceable under the Public Health Act. So when you do the commitment, you must follow it, right? So I hope this will be clear. Now you can write your own self isolation plan. I have tried to explain the which are the points that you should consider, so do not forget to include these points. Fine. And if you wish to receive this doc file in your email, then please share your email ID in the comment section of this video so I can share it to you within 24 hours. And guys, please do not forget to subscribe my channel for the latest videos and updates about Canada immigration, and please click on the like button if you like the video. Thank you.